Now we will discuss about Johnson VFD error handling and troubleshooting training. Like we will explain how we can resolve error in the Johnson VFD if you are facing any. Here is one alarm. Alarm code is OL. Overcurrent. It's stall prevention alarm. Okay, it occurs when current is more than set parameter of the your motor. Like when you have set your motor parameters in P2022 P22, and if your VFD is your motor is taking more current than set the parameter in P2022, in that case this alarm will occur and VFD will trip and it will show OL. When the overload current has reduced below stall prevention level, its functions increase the frequency again. Like if suppose that there is one alarm and OL and you reset that VFD, and you see and after that you start, so it will start again, and it is not like again the same current will go, because of there are too many factors behind this alarm. So you need to when the output current VFD exceed stall prevention level, this function reduce frequency still overload current decrease to prevent VFD resulting over current trip. When overload current has reduced below stall prevention, the function increase the frequency and it will start it again. So when the output current is it is here could be the few condition when it's happening when VFD is getting start, like if it is taking acceleration. Okay, that case also VFD could give this alarm well. So there could be some factors. One, you have set ramp up time very short ramp up time, that also could be the reason. And during the deceleration, that time also it could occur. If you have given very quick deceleration time, that time also could happen. Okay, so you need to check few parameters. Check parameter P0, setting is not too large. Check parameter 7 and 8 are not too small, these are acceleration and deacceleration. Check that load is not too heavy. Sometimes you have set acceleration and deacceleration time both time correct and properly, but load on the motor, like there is one conveyor belt or one gear system and other things, that could be very heavy, that could be stuck. So you need to check your conveyor belt on the motor, or what mechanism you are using, that also could be stuck. This also could be reason. And so third reason is like your motor is high than rated, or your motor is overloaded with the load. This also could be the reason. So you need to check these things, and if you have checked acceleration is proper, deacceleration is proper, and your motor is not stocked, when you are doing free to motor from your conveyor belt or whatever you are using, when you're doing this you are removing from that also, and in that case also the same alarm is coming. It could be the reason inside of the VFD there are some CT current transformers which are giving feedback to the controller about the current, that also could be damage. So in that case you have to check that also. And if you will check that might be you will get the reason why it is happening. So with these things you can resolve these alarms if you have follows these all steps what I have told. If you follow all steps, definitely you will get the solution. If not, then you have to call manufacturer either or mail ID for repair this. And if you are in Delhi NCR, then we can support on it.